Welcome to Oculus. After this tutorial, you'll be ready to explore. It's time to learn about your Oculus Touch controllers. Now, try pressing all of the glowing buttons with your thumbs.
Okay.
Try moving the thumbsticks around.
Wow, you can move these? Okay.
The thumbsticks can also be pressed like buttons.
Okay.
Press them in until you feel them click. Next, use your index fingers to squeeze the triggers on your controllers. Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Now let's see what your virtual hands can do.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, there we go. I have hands now. Oh, like
to make a fist,
maybe?
Squeeze the grip with your middle finger and hold it down. To point, keep squeezing the grip and just lift your index finger. Now use your index finger to push the button in front of you.
I know people say don't press the red button, but maybe today's the day. Good night.
To pick up an object, squeeze and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Release the grip button to drop it. Your virtual hands can do just about anything.
Oh, really?
Go ahead. Play with some of these items.
Okay, we got... Okay. Hey, Dogpack. Welcome back to another video. Today, we are playing First Steps for MetaQuest 2. And this game is for people who just got the headset and they're figuring out how to control. Yeah, but I've been playing for like 5 years. I don't know what to do, but maybe today will be a fun video. So right now, we got this pickleball table. Okay. Blocks. Wait, what's guys? Let's try to make a pyramid. Wait. Okay. Oh, whoa. You can do this. Go. Thank you.
Looks like you're getting the hang of it.
We got rocket ship, guys. Rocket ships. Wait, ready? You can knock the box over. Wait. Okay, let's pull the trigger. Knock them down. Get off my table. Box. Yeet. This? Oh yeah, wait. I remember this. Yeah, kick it. Yep. Okay. We got a sing me bopper. Squeeze. Squeeze here to beat. Giant foot. The Oculus split. Okay. Air balloons. Wait. That doesn't call it air balloon. No, these are.
When you're ready to explore some new VR worlds, insert a cartridge into the console.
Okay, which one should we do first? I guess this one. Okay. Drop in. Let's go real quick way. These are so fun. Like, imagine people who just got on. For me, like, how do you hit to use these? Oh, wow. Wait, can I prefer to stack all of these very high? What the heck? Rocket ship, get away from me. Let's try to stack these very high. If I can. Oh my. Okay. Bro, I didn't make it out so. Oh. Okay, got this one. Okay, guys, I guess we're gonna start with whatever this is. Teleport me. Whoa. Okay, guys, we are in this game. Looks to be like a gun game. Okay, get a pistol. Nice. Okay, you can shoot stuff. Ready? Guys, I'm the best at this game. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Poof, poof. 25, 50, 50, 50. 55. Come on. Come on, I got this. Cool. Oh, wait, there's a... Okay. More blocks. I guess... Wait, I need another pistol. Come on. 2 pistols. Oh, wait. Resets the game, bro. Wait. Oh, you have to win the game first to get better weapons. So let's knock these out real quick. Get these ones. This one. All of these. And all of these. All of the stars. Come on. Yes. And now... Okay. Oh, crap. There's so many. I wish I could have 2 at a time. 2 pistols. Oh, whoa. Okay, more stars. Touch the stars. Come on. Good stars. Okay. Please, one. Oh, my... What? Oh, wait, what? So far away from me! Okay. This is rigged. I'm like, yeah. This is rigged, guys. Oh. Get this, get this. Come on. Come on. Get the star. Oh, come on. But this is kind of like Fortnite. Not exactly. Stars. Yes. New score, high score. New high score. Okay, can we please play with this? Oh yeah, wait. This. Oh yeah. I got the bad boy right here, guys. Oh yeah, whoa. That has a lot more power to it. Oh yeah. Eliminate these. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Get this one. Guys, I'm trying to beat my high score. Yes. Get all these. Oh, there we go. Go. Yeah. Get all these. Cool. Come on. New high score. Time to beat my score, guys. Oh my god, come on. Come on, get that. Whoa. Wait, I have to hold both sides. Okay, 200. Walk in. Come on. There we go, too big. Whoa. Come on, new high score. No, run out of time. Get these. Let's go. Now let's try with double shotties. Shotty. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, so I can shoot this at one at a time. Like this. Come on. Almost there. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Wait, what? Cool. No, come on. Get out of these blocks. Come on, yes. Come on, get this. Come on. There's more? Oh my god. Okay, grab this. Yes. Come on, do my high score. Come on. Guys, this is mostly hard. Comment down below if you can do this. Like, bro. Whoa. Get it. Whew. Okay, there's more? Oh, crap. Come on, we have to beat my high score, guys. Yes! New high score, guys. We beat it. So, let's go try another game. Teleport me. Wah! There we go. Teleporting.
When you're ready to explore another virtual world, insert the cartridge into the console.
I would love that, but first, let's send these rockets to outer... Wait, are we already in outer space? I'm gonna find you, lady. That's the person that's talking. I'm gonna get you. Wait, how high can this go? Oh, can do a backflip, yeah. Blocks. Paper airplanes. So, let's dance with a robot? Teleport me. Wow! There I go. Oh, here we are. Oh, insert both pins. Okay. Next pin. Here comes a robot. Oh, it's so cute. Hi. Hey, friendly robot. Come here. Let's dance. Take my hand. Take my hand. Hey. Wanna dance? Oh. Thank you. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Gotta do the gritty? Yeah. You ready? Okay. Dang, you got this dance first, okay? Okay. You bet. Okay, now. Give me a hand. Pick it up. Okay. Pick give me your hand. Give me your hand. Wait, robot. Robot. Here, give me your hand. Robot. Okay. Yeet. Okay. Here. Here. Grab a hand. Okay. Let's do the ridge dance. Yep. Good job, robot. Hand. Okay. Oh yeah. You're so cool, robot. Wow. Are you ChatGPT? Spin. Wow, good job. Freestyle. Freestyle finish, let's go. I'm cooking right now, here. Let's go, guys. Thank you. Thank you, but I have to go. Here, give me, shake your hand. Come here. I'm sorry, but I have to go. Nice to meet you. Teleport me. Sorry, but I have to go. Bye. I'll miss you.
When you're ready to leave this tutorial, insert the exit cartridge.
Okay, guys, that was fun. Dancing with the robots. Shooting this gun. Playing with the robots. Playing with these rockets. Let's just hang out here for a minute. Okay, punch. Okay. I'm gonna try to stack everything at once. So, ready for this. Yeet. 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 Stack. Stack. Okay. Boop. Let's try this way. Okay, wait, guys, let's see how far up. Let's see. Here we go. We're going up. We're going up. Whoa, guys, this is actually for beginners. This would be fun. I remember when I first played it. It's like, how do you play? And yeah, we're gonna have to end this video right here. Thanks, guys, for watching. You guys, if you are beginners to VR, you should try this. So go get yourself a headset and exit. See you guys. Remember to bark like a dog. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
You've got the basics down. Time to explore all that VR has to offer.
Yep, I love that.
Have fun.
See you guys in the next video. Peace. Bark like a dog. Peace.
Okay. Just turn it on.